Today we are going to take a look at circular seating arrangement, right? It's a type of puzzles question which is asked in different entrance examinations. And these questions come in the analytical reasoning section. They come in the analytical reasoning section. एंड बड़े इजी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं सर्कुलर भी जिस तरह से लीनियर या स्ट्रेट लाइन सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वैसे ही सर्कुलर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स के भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनके बेसिक रूल्स अगर हम फॉलो करें if we understand the basic rules then they're very simple to solve. So today what we are going to do is I'll quickly take you through the different types of circular seating arrangements. What are the instructions which are usually given, उनका interpretation कैसे होता है, and then we will of course take a look at a lot of examples to be able to solve them. ठीक है? So let's start with circular seating arrangement. As the name itself suggests, एक सर्कल में अगर आप लोगों को बिठाओ, राइट, राउंड टेबल के आसपास लोगों को बिठाओ, देन दैट्स अ सर्कुलर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट. Now, there can be any number of people who can be sitting in a circle, right? Starting with, we can have 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of people sitting in a circle. But exam के अंदर the most common types are usually you have 6 people, 7 people, or 8 people sitting in a circle, right? So when we have people sitting in a circle, how do we arrange them? Let's say there are 4 people sitting around. तो 4 लोगों के लिए एक सर्कल में हम 4 पोजीशंस ऐसे मार्क करेंगे, राइट? All the 4 opposite ends हम मार्क करेंगे. और if it is said that there are 5 people sitting in a circle, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसे अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे हम 5 लोगों को प्लेस करेंगे. सिमिलरली अगर 6 लोगों को बिठाना है, then this is the way we place the 6 people around in a circle, right, at roughly equal distances. Or if it is 7 people, then like this. Now, the first thing you should understand is, चाहे लिखा हो चाहे ना लिखा हो, we always assume that they are all at equal distance from each other. Now, in a question, if it is given that they're at specific distance के 30 डिग्री पे है, 60 डिग्री पे है, तो बात अलग है. लेकिन जब कोई डिस्टेंस मेजर मेंशन नहीं किया, तो we have to take them as equidistant from each other. मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूं? Because sometimes I have seen, if it is given that there are 6 people sitting in a circle, I have seen students make a circle like this and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in a circle like this. Now, this is as good as a linear arrangement. This is not a circular arrangement, right? तो जहां पे circular arrangement की बात है, वहां पे if it is not given, we have to place all of them at equal distances from each other, right? Okay. Now, the second thing that you always have to keep in mind whenever you are doing circular arrangement is the default direction that everybody faces is the center of the circle. इसका मतलब क्या है? If I say there are 8 people sitting in a circle like this, then I will make everybody sit facing the center. अगर आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन का याद हो, तो स्ट्रेट लाइन में हम ऑलवेज अज्यूम करते थे कि एवरीबडी इज फेसिंग द नॉर्थ, राइट? सबके लिए ये लेफ्ट होता था एंड सबके लिए ये राइट होता था. वैसे ही ऑब्वियस है कि सर्कल में जब हम बैठते हैं, देन वी ऑल फेस द सेंटर. पीठ दिखा के तो नहीं बैठते. सो एक दूसरे को जब हम सर्कल में बैठते हैं तो फेस करते हैं, राइट? सो द थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज everybody is facing the center of the circle. So when you start arranging the people in a circle, you can start at any position, because in a straight line तो आपके पास extreme left, extreme right या middle जैसे positions हैं. लेकिन सर्कल के अंदर there is nothing which is extreme left or right or middle, right? So इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will always take and place the first person at the bottom of the circle. अब आप पूछोगे, सर अगर सर्कल के अंदर कोई भी पोजीशन सेम ही है तो हम यहां से क्यों स्टार्ट करते हैं? वेल, टेक अ लुक एट इट. द पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग एट द बॉटम मोस्ट पोजीशन इज फेसिंग द सेंटर लाइक दिस, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द नेचुरल वे इन विच वी आर फेसिंग. तो इसके लिए ये साइड लेफ्ट होगा. जो आपको लेफ्ट दिखता है वही इस पर्सन के लिए लेफ्ट होगा. सो यू प्लेस द फर्स्ट पर्सन एट द सेंटर, you mark the left hand side of this person, And then now what you should do is you should mark a circle, an arrow like this, right? एक arrow ऐसे draw कर दो. Purpose of this arrow, the arrow indicates the left hand side for every person in the circle, right? So अगर मैं पूछूं 1 के लेफ्ट में कौन बैठा है, तो ऑब्वियसली एरो फॉलो करो 2. Now can you tell me who is sitting on the left of 3? Who is sitting on the left of 3? Correct, arrow को follow किया तो 3 के left में 4 बैठा है. Now comes the tricky question. Who is sitting on the left of 5? Who is sitting on the left of 5? Right? अब आपके पास एरो, वेदिका, निलय, लोचा मार रहे हो आप बच्चा लोग. 5 को देखो. 5 is facing the center of the circle like this, right? And I said you have to follow the arrow for left and right. So sub 5 के लिए left hand side कौन सा है? This is the left hand side for 5. So person sitting to the left of 5 is actually 6. क्यों? Because 5 is facing the opposite direction. इसीलिए we start placing the persons at the bottom position and clearly mark this arrow. अगर आपने पहले ही बंदे को 5 में रखा होता और ये आरो ना मार्क किया होता तो लोचा मारते. Did you understand that? ख्वाहिश, शाश्वत, निलय, वेदिका, are you understanding? Left and right is very important. I'll clear the screen. 5 number पे जो बैठा है, look at the position that that person is. The person at number 5 is facing the opposite direction. तो आपके लिए 1 के हिसाब से position है. So for you, this side is left and this side is right. But when you are looking at the position of the person who is sitting on the opposite side, तो left right उल्टा हो जाता है. इसीलिए place the first person at the bottom, mark left, and then mark an arrow, right? Clockwise ये arrow draw कर दो. And remember, for left you have to follow the arrow. So left right दोनों मत लिखो, confusing हो जाएगा. Right को eliminate कर देते हैं. सिर्फ फर्स्ट पोजीशन बॉटम में डालेंगे, लेफ्ट लिखेंगे, एरो ड्रॉ करेंगे. अब किसी के लिए भी लेफ्ट देखना है तो एरो फॉलो करना है, तो ऑब्वियसली राइट इज द ऑपोजिट. सो नाउ एवरीबॉडी कैन टेल मी हु इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ नंबर 7. इमीडिएट राइट ऑफ नंबर 7 कौन है? सो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, करेक्ट, राइट. तो 7 के लिए ऑपोजिट एरो देखो, राइट. ये लेफ्ट है तो ऑपोजिट साइड 6. So 6 on the right hand side of 7. Okay. Who is 4th to the right of 8? 4th to the right of 8. So 8 के लिए right hand side यानी कि anti clockwise जाएंगे. So first, second, third, fourth. So the person 4th to the right of 8 is number 4. Excellent. Who is second to the left of 6? Who is second to the left of 6? Correct. तो 6 का पोजीशन ये है, लेफ्ट के लिए एरो. सो 6 के लिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. सो 8 इज सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ 6. सो डिड एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड सर्कुलर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट के अंदर लेफ्ट एंड राइट को किस तरह से हम प्लेस करेंगे? डिड एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड सर्कुलर अरेंजमेंट के अंदर लेफ्ट एंड राइट हम किस तरह से प्लेस करेंगे? सो जस्ट टू मेक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इवन मोर क्लियर, I've drawn the same thing but with actual people sitting in a circle, right? तो यहां से क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. ये जब इस तरफ देख रहा है, इसके लिए ये लेफ्ट, ये राइट. फॉर दिस पर्सन लेफ्ट एंड राइट, फॉर दिस पर्सन लेफ्ट एंड राइट. इन शॉर्ट, I draw a clockwise arrow on the circle and the direction pointed by the arrow is always the left hand side. सर्कुलर अरेंजमेंट में अगर लेफ्ट एंड राइट का इस तरह से ध्यान रखोगे, यू विल नेवर मेक अ मिस्टेक इन द एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है सिद्धांत? हाउ डज इट मैटर? सिद्धांत, how does gender matter in seating arrangement? Of course, you can have a combined puzzle where sometimes they will tell you that, okay, these are certain boys, certain girls, but that is just a puzzle. Seating mein, how does it matter whether you're a boy or a girl? Right now, we are talking only about positions. Of course, I can add an element of gender. I can add an element of age. I can add an element of nationality. I can add any element to create a more complex puzzle. But as far as seating is concerned, it does not matter, right? Right now we are focusing only on the directions. ठीक है जी? Okay. So let's take an example. Now, before I move further, always remember the first person always place at the bottom of the circle, right? Whenever you are starting the arrangement, place the first person at the bottom of the circle. Left right का ध्यान रखेंगे. Now, just like linear arrangement, अगर एक क्लू बिटवीन वाला आता है, अगर एक क्लू बिटवीन वाला आता है, तो वी शुड टेक केयर, राइट? Supposing it is said that P is between Q and R. So we can place P between Q and R like this, but it is also possible that P is between Q and R like this. So you have to take care of both the possibilities. जब आपको ये नहीं पता कि लेफ्ट में कौन है, राइट में कौन है, तो you should make two diagrams. When it is given that X is between, let us say, Y and Z, तो y लेफ्ट में भी हो सकता है, y राइट में भी हो सकता है. So when the between wala clue is given, always consider both the possibilities and then proceed with both the diagrams till you reach a point where one of the diagrams automatically gets eliminated. Yes? Are we together on that? Gautam, I did not understand your question. Sirare lamp, what is that? I didn't understand your question. Chalo. In the Gautam, you can retype what your doubt is. In the meanwhile, let's solve an example, right? So the first example, let us say A, B, C, D, E, F. They are sitting in a circular manner, facing the center. Now D is between F and B. A is second to the left of D and second to the right of E. The question is, who is facing A? So let's see how to do this. So I can have a circle. It is given there are 6 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 people. My first clue says D is between F and B. So D, I always start with the bottommost position. So D is between F and B. But I can also have D between F and B in another manner. So I can say D is between F and B like this. So there are two possible conditions, right? So D is between F and B. Now, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के लिए एरो मार्क कर दिया दोनों में, दोनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एरो. नाउ इट इज सेड ए इज सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी. सो डी के लेफ्ट में सेकंड, सो फर्स्ट सेकंड. सो ए इज सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी. इन बोथ ऑफ देम इस पोजिशन में आएगा. सो नाउ वी से दैट ए इज सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी एंड ए इज सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ ई. सो सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ ई. सो ई को यहां पे रखेंगे तो ई के राइट के सेकेंड पोजीशन में ए आएगा. सो द ओनली पर्सन लेफ्ट इज नाउ सी. वी पुट सी हियर एंड नाउ वी हैव टू पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट्स. सो द क्वेश्चन, हु इज फेसिंग ई? It's either B or it is F. Now the question is, Amanbir, how do we know D is at the bottom? Amanbir, it is not given D is at the bottom. I start my first placement. See, I have to place D first. So D को मैं पहले रखता हूं. Now remember, सर्कल में ना कोई बॉटम होता है ना टॉप होता है. इस सर्कल को आप रोटेट करो, all the positions are the same. इन ड्रॉइंग बॉटम एंड टॉप होगा. अगर आप ऊपर से सर्कल को देखोगे तो सर्कल डज नॉट हैव अ बॉटम और अ टॉप और अ लेफ्ट और अ राइट, राइट? द सेम डायग्राम आई कैन घुमाओ. आई एक्सप्लेन क्लियरली व्हाई डू आई स्टार्ट प्लेसिंग द फर्स्ट पर्सन एट द बॉटम. देखो, आई कैन प्लेस डी एनीवेयर. चलो लेट्स सी, डी को पहले इस पोजीशन में भी प्लेस कर सकता हूं. बट व्हेन यू से ए इज सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी, अब अगर आपने डी को ऊपर के पोजीशन में प्लेस किया, यू विल हैव टू रिमेंबर that left hand side for the top position is the reverse. और यहां पे लोचे मारना चालू करोगे. So always convenient to place the first person at the bottom so that left and right का आप mistake ना करो. Amanbir, did you understand that? Gautam, lamp questions that two people can cross the bridge. I don't know if you can send me such a question after class. I mean, any puzzles can be of any type. I don't understand what specific type of questions you are asking. It could be a time, speed and distance question. Right now we are doing only sitting arrangements. Puzzles में कुछ भी आ सकता है. There is no restriction. There is no fixed criteria कि ऐसे ही puzzles आएंगे. There can be any type of puzzle. Amanbir, did you understand? Okay. Others, did you get it? So the person facing A in this case could be either B or it could be F. Two possible answers. Did everybody understand the first example? Okay. Chalo. Namra, is there any reasoning? IPM Rohtak has a reasoning section. IPM Indore does not. Okay. Yeah, just that. Okay. Chalo. Let me give you about a minute to solve this puzzle. Let's see who gets this very quickly. Yes, guys. Did anyone get it so far? Siddhant, are you sure about that? Yes. Siddhant Jain, check. Siddhant, yes. Shrikar, again, check. अनमोल नहीं, क्वेश्चन को ढंग से पढ़ो बच्चे. नम्रा यस. सूर्या पार्शल. गर्वित करेक्ट. निलय partially right. Most of you have given me partial answers. Guys, remember, like I just said, लेफ्ट एंड राइट बिटवीन वाला जब भी क्लू आता है, याद रखो दो पॉसिबिलिटीज होती हैं. whenever you have a question in which the between wala clue is given, then there are two possible diagrams. Unless there is a clue which eliminates one of the options, you have to make two considerations. Chalo, let's take a look at this. It says 6 people sitting in a circle facing the center, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 people. It says Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. So let us say this is Deepa. She's between Prakash and Pankaj. So guys, we need to make a second diagram as well, because if Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj, we can put Deepa between Prakash and Pankaj in this format also. We do not know who is to the left and who is to the right. Okay. Next, we go on to the clue which says Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. So Preeti is definitely here, but between Mukesh and Lalit, ab kaun se side pe Mukesh and Lalit, I don't know. But next it says Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. So if this is Prakash, then this is Mukesh, which means that this option is Lalit. And in the other diagram, Prakash ke opposite Mukesh yahan pe aa jayega. That means Lalit is in this position. So now who is second to the left of Deepa? Remember, left hand side के लिए ऐसे जाते हैं, तो दीपा के लिए first to the left, second to the left. पहले डायग्राम के हिसाब से ललित, but second में first to the left, second to the left. Second डायग्राम के हिसाब से it can be Mukesh. So either the diagram says that second to the left could be Mukesh, or the diagram says second to the left can be Lalit. Did everybody get this one? So second to the left could either be Mukesh, or second to the left could be Lalit. This is with reference to Deepa. Did everybody get it? Vedika, you need to check your device. Yes, Devesh. Yes, Devesh. Either you will be given either Mukesh or Deepa, Mukesh or Lalit as an option. See, options इस format में हो सकते हैं. या तो Mukesh, B, Lalit, both A and B. something like this options can be. So it depends on how the options are, doesn't matter. Did you get that? It depends on how the options are. Are we together on this? स्वयं सी डेटा इनएडिक्वेट का मतलब है कि यू कैनॉट सॉल्व इट, बट अगर आपके पास एक ऑप्शन है जो कहता है मुकेश और ललित, तो ऑब्वियसली यू नो इट इज मुकेश और ललित. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ द आंसर्स आर गिवन टू यू इन द ऑप्शंस. डेटा इनएडिक्वेट का मतलब है यू कांट सॉल्व इट. हियर मुकेश और ललित तो कर ही सकते हैं ना. सो अगर मुकेश और ललित ऑप्शन नहीं है तो डेटा इनएडिक्वेट मार्क कर सकता हूं. बट इफ मुकेश और ललित इज एन ऑप्शन, देन आई विल नॉट मार्क डेटा इनएडिक्वेट. Amanbir, only Mukesh, both. I mean, you will not let us say in exam, if there are 4 options, it says Mukesh, Lalit, प्रीति और पंकज, ऐसे तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इसमें दो बोथ मुकेश एंड ललित आर पॉसिबल एंड यू कैन नॉट मार्क 2 ऑप्शंस इन द एग्जाम. सो एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन अगर आया ऑप्शंस के साथ तो उसको कैंसिल कर दिया जाएगा. यू कैन नॉट हैव सच ऑप्शंस बिकॉज बोथ मुकेश एंड ललित आर पॉसिबल एज आंसर्स. डिड यू गेट दैट अमनबीर? राइट. सो ऐसे अगर 2 पॉसिबल आंसर्स हैं तो या तो बोथ ए एंड बी टाइप ऑप्शन होना चाहिए, या तो डेटा इनएडिक्वेट या कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड वाला ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. बट मुकेश एंड ललित दोनों ही पॉसिबल हैं, तो इस फॉर्मेट में आंसर नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज इट बिकम्स कंफ्यूजिंग विच वन टू मार्क. आई होप एवरीबॉडी गॉट दिस वन. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट वन. अगेन आई गिव यू अबाउट अ मिनट. लेट्स सी हु गेट्स दिस वन क्विकली. 6 friends sitting around a circular table facing the center. Amar, Kiran, Jeetu, Hemant, Dhawan, Manjeet. Jeetu is sitting 2 places to the left of Amar and opposite to Kiran. If Dhawan and Manjeet are opposite to each other, then who is sitting to the left of Jeetu? Did anyone get it so far? Gautam, seating arrangement questions are usually part of a set. So you'll have 3 to 5 questions based on one single set. Right now, I'm not doing 3 to 5 questions for every set because once the puzzle is solved, all the questions are obvious. But these are sitter questions. These are laddu questions. ऐसे questions तो 100% exam में solve करना चाहिए. Oops. Yeah. Gautam, एग्जाम्स में अनअटेम्प्टेड क्वेश्चंस के लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होता. एनलैट वाज द ओनली वन व्हिच सेड दैट, बट यूजुअली नहीं होता. So if there is negative marking is only for wrongly attempting a question. There is 0 marks for leaving a question. So it's better to leave a question than get it wrong. And I'll be talking about these strategies. Don't worry. Yeah, majority getting it right. Couple of you loche maring. Majority are getting it right, but अभी भी कुछ लोग लोचे मार रहे हैं. बेटा लोग लेफ्ट राइट जरा ध्यान से, लेफ्ट राइट जरा ध्यान से. लेफ्ट राइट में लोचे मार रहे हो कई लोग. रिमेंबर क्लॉकवाइज जाना है लेफ्ट के लिए. चलो लेट्स टेक अ लुक. सो सर्कुलर टेबल, 6 friends. So obviously I'll be drawing a nice little circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 people. Okay, Jeetu is sitting 2 places to the left of Amar. So Amar का position मैंने डाल दिया and left मैंने mark कर दिया. So Jeetu is 2 places to the left of Amar. तो Amar के 2 places left. So this is 1 place to the left. This is 2 places to the left. So this position belongs to Jeetu. So Jeetu is setting 2 places to the left of Amar and opposite to Kiran. तो जब 6 लोग बैठे हैं, ये positions को हम opposite positions कहेंगे. So Jeetu is sitting opposite to Kiran, which means this is the position. Now Dhawan and Manjeet are opposite to each other. अब opposite बिठाने के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 ही positions बाकी हैं. इन 2 जगह पे ही मैं 2 लोगों को opposite बिठा सकता हूं. तो धवन एंड मंजीत को ऐसे बिठाओ, या फिर धवन को यहां पे एंड मंजीत को यहां पे बिठाओ. एंड इफ दीज आर द प्लेसेस वेयर धवन एंड मंजीत आर सिटिंग, द ओनली पर्सन लेफ्ट इज हेमंत विल बी प्लेस्ड इन दिस पोजीशन. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हु इज सिटिंग लेफ्ट ऑफ जीतू. जीतू के लिए लेफ्ट ये साइड होगा. So the person who is sitting left of Jitu is obviously Hemant. Did everybody get this? Yes, Gautam, what's your doubt? Left, right में बिल्कुल. नाउ यू आर आस्किंग वेदर आई कैन पुट जीतू एट द बॉटम. चलो वो भी मैं करके दिखाता हूं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. यू विल गेट एग्जैक्ट सेम आंसर, राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. जीतू इज 2 प्लेसेस टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ अमर. तो जीतू को यहां पे डाल दिया एंड पोजिशन मार्क कर दिया लेफ्ट. तो जीतू इज ऑन द लेफ्ट. सो इफ जीतू इज लेफ्ट ऑफ अमर, अमर इज राइट ऑफ जीतू, तो अमर का पोजिशन ये हो जाएगा, राइट? सो एंड जीतू का ऑपोजिट पोजिशन किरण यहां पे आ जाएगा. धवन एंड मंजीत ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर, धवन एंड मंजीत ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर यहां पे आ जाएंगे. हेमंत का पोजीशन ये बन जाएगा. लेफ्ट ऑफ जीतू अभी भी हेमंत ही है, राइट? गौतम, सर्कल को आपने सिर्फ घुमाया है, आपने सिर्फ रोटेट किया है सर्कल को. आप कहीं से भी स्टार्ट करो, किसी को भी डालो, एग्जैक्ट सेम पोजिशंस आएंगे. The only difference will be your circle will be slightly rotated. With respect to each other, they'll be the exact same things. Yes? Okay. Prasanna, what positions are you getting? Whom are you getting at the bottom? Prasanna, let's take a look at what positioning you got. Start with the... you must have got the same arrangement but in a rotated format. Correct? आपको same position... See guys, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter in a circle किसको कहां पे. See like this. If I say 3 people A, B and C, ठीक है? अब इस सर्कल को एक एक पोजीशन घुमा दो, तो अभी यहां पे A, B and C, वापस इसको क्लॉकवाइज घुमा दो. So this becomes A, this becomes B and this becomes C. Do you think there are 3 different arrangements? No, all the 3 are exactly the same. I've only rotated the same figure 3 times. Did you guys get it? Gautam, max I have seen 8 people in a circle. Max मैंने 8 वाले examples देखे हैं. उससे ज्यादा it becomes unnecessary. Max about 8 people I have seen in a circle, not more than that. ठीक है? चलो. Let's take another example. We'll be doing the basic examples repetitively so that you become pakka with arranging left, right. Then we will move on to a bit more complex examples. Chalo, let's take another one. 6 army majors are sitting around a circular table discussing about stopping infiltration. Infiltration means घुसपैठ, border को जो घुसते हैं enemies. Major Bakshi is sitting between Major Kalia and Major Sodhi. Major Kalia is sitting immediately left of Major Bakshi. Major Kumar is sitting second to the left of Major Kalia. Major Nanda is sitting between Major Kumar and Major Sodhi. Then where is Major Patra? So between whom or opposite to whom? Something like that we'll have to answer. So tell me. Either tell me Batra is sitting between which 2 people or opposite to whom. Either way, it's fine. Millie, you need to check the answer. Once you have made the diagram, guys, what you should do is you should look at all the clues and see if your diagram matches the clues, right? Then you can be sure about your answer. Once you have made the complete diagram, you can self-check by just seeing if it fits all the clues. If all the clues are fit properly in the diagram, then it is correct. Yes, most people are getting it right. Millie, you just need to check once. Yes, others are all getting it right. Very good. Yes, others are all right. Good, good, good. Chalo, let's see. So 6 army majors are being seated around a table. So how do I seat? Obviously 6-seater arrangement karna hai. We'll put a nice little circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now it says Bakshi is sitting between Kalia and Sodhi. So if I put Major Bakshi, right, then between Kalia and Sodhi or Kalia and Sodhi. Any one of these arrangements is possible. Next says Kalia is sitting left of Bakshi. So Bakshi Saab ka left hand side is this. So now it is confirmed that Major Kalia is sitting in this position. So it is confirmed that Major Sodhi is sitting in this particular position. Now, Major Kumar is sitting second to the left of Major Kalia. So Major Kalia ka first to the left, second to the left. That means Major Kumar is sitting in this position. And Nanda is between Kumar and Sodhi. So between Kumar and Sodhi, only one position, and that is Major Nanda. So the only person left, Major Batra, has to be seated in the empty position. So once we have the confirmed position, we can say Major Batra is sitting opposite to Sodhi or to the immediate left of Kalia or between Kalia and Kumar anyways. But ultimately, this is the arrangement that you will be getting. Did everybody get this one? Did everybody understand this arrangement? कोई doubt हो तो पूछ लो, right? So remember guys, left, right, these are the major problem points. Amanbir, CLAT definitely has analytical reasoning. This year was different, but CLAT definitely has analytical reasoning. There's 100% analytical. Every year there is analytical reasoning in CLAT. Chalo, let's move ahead. ख्वाहिश फाइनल आंसर. वंस यू गेट द पोजीशनिंग, वो तो ऑप्शंस पे डिपेंड करेगा ना. ख्वाहिश एग्जाम में अगर आपको ऑप्शन है ऑपोजिट सोडी तो वो मार्क करने का, दिया है लेफ्ट ऑफ कालिया तो वो मार्क करने का. राइट नाउ आई एम ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन द अरेंजमेंट. Once the arrangement is given, depending on how the option is given, you can say, somebody can ask that Ram, who was Ram? You can say he's the central character of Ramayana, he's the husband of Sita, he's the son of Dashrath, he's the brother of Lakshman. रेफरेंस कुछ भी हो सकता है. रामायण की कहानी पता, आंसर तो करेक्टली दोगे. सो द मेन पॉइंट इज द अरेंजमेंट. डिड यू गेट दैट? ओके, सो ख्वाहिश, व्हाट वाज योर आंसर? Amanbir, this year did not have analytical reasoning, but this year was not a regular paper. This year's paper would not be considered a regular paper. So I will not, yeah. So check, is Batra a Khwahish? Check. Batra opposite of Sodhi. From the diagram itself, you can confirm this. Yes, correct. Amanbir, and CLAT is not the only exam which you will be giving, right? Guys, see, even if one particular paper does not have a particular section, it is not that you should stop learning it. You should learn it because you will be attempting multiple exams of the same course. So CLAT के अंदर अगर एक particular type of question नहीं आता है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसको छोड़ दो. Because one, they may change the pattern. Second, you will be giving other entrance exams which definitely has these things. So please don't focus on the exam. Focus on learning all the fundamentals so that irrespective of what is asked, you will be in a good position to solve it. A lot of students did the same mistake last year. उन्होंने सोचा कि क्लैट के अंदर मैथ्स नहीं आने वाला है, सिर्फ डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन आएगा. दे स्टॉप डूइंग मैथ्स. भर भर के मैथ्स पूछा उन्होंने डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन के नाम पे. They thought that calculators will be allowed in the exam, so they stopped practicing quick calculations. Last moment pe the exam did not have a calculator. So guys, please understand the basic fundamentals, right? Don't leave anything. Don't leave anything. Gautam, this is not a directions puzzle that you have given me. Such puzzles they may ask, but very rare. Such puzzles they may ask, but very rare. If you want a solution, you can send it to me on WhatsApp after the class is over and I can solve it. But such position, this very rare. Amanbir, LSAT does not have analytical reasoning section at all. ILAT, it does. ILAT, in fact, has very complex reasoning questions of analytical reasoning. Okay? Chalo, let's move on. Next one. Now we are moving on to a 8-seater question. So it's given that P, Q, R, S, T, U, and VW, 8 people sitting around a circle facing the center. Now we are also given the clues that P is second to the right of T, who's the neighbor of R and V. S is not the neighbor of P. V is the neighbor of U. And Q is not between S and W. W is not between U and S. Keeping these conditions in mind, starting with T at the bottom, how are they placed in a clockwise fashion? Let's see who gets this quickest. Amanbir, LSAT has analytical, it has reasoning and English. But yes, seating type questions are very commonly asked in LSAT. So LSAT definitely has reasoning. LSAT has only reasoning and English. LSAT, so such questions are definitely there in LSAT. Kavan, you got it right. But is that the only possibility? Hitanshi also got it right. But again, is that the only possibility? Vansh, correct. Anushka, your arrangement is violating one of the questions. Hardi, you need to give me the arrangement of all the people in clockwise fashion starting from T. देवेश योर दिस इज वायलेटिंग द वेरी फर्स्ट कंडीशन. पहला ही कंडीशन आपका अरेंजमेंट वायलेट कर रहा है. एक बार आपका अरेंजमेंट आ जाए देन यू शुड चेक ऑल द क्लूज. डज इट मैच ऑल द क्लूज? गौतम, कवन, लाइक आई सेड, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टी क्लॉकवाइज ऑर्डर में कैसे बैठे हैं? यू जस्ट हैव टू गिव मी दैट अरेंजमेंट. See, exam में तो they may ask who is sitting opposite to this person, who is sitting first to the right of this person. I can make 100 questions out of the same set. But the bottom line is, एक बार arrangement पक्का हो जाए, उसके बाद कोई भी question आप answer कर सकते हो. So the important part, what we have to do is give the exact arrangement of people here. Okay, guys. So let's take a look at this example. It says 8 people in a circle. So circle banaya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 positions. Now, P is second to the right of T, right? So I start with T, this position, and I mark my left. So P is second to the right. So first, second. P is second to the right of T. Who is the neighbor of R and V? So T is the neighbor of R and V. So R and V can be like this, or R and V can be like this, because R कौन से side है, V कौन से side है, मुझे नहीं पता. Now, S is not the neighbor of P. So if P का position ये है, तो इस पोजीशन पे तो डेफिनेटली S नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज S इज नॉट द नेबर ऑफ P. नेक्स्ट इट सेज V इज द नेबर ऑफ U. अगर मैं V को यहां पे डालता हूं तो V के बाजू में U नहीं आ सकता. सो द ओनली पोजीशन इज R. सो R गेट्स एलिमिनेटेड, V का पोजीशन पक्का हो गया, एंड V इज द नेबर ऑफ U. समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो U, V, T, R एंड P, ये 5 लोग तो पक्के हो गए. नाउ इट इज गिवन दैट Q इज नॉट बिटवीन S. सो S का पोजीशन या तो यहां पे हो सकता है, या तो S का पोजीशन यहां पे हो सकता है. एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेयर S इज, वी हैव टू एडजस्ट Q not between S and W, and W not between U and S. So there are two final possibilities that you get. If I put S at this position, I can arrange it like this. If I put S at this particular position, then I can arrange it like this. So I'll clear the ink on the screen. Either one of these two are the right answer, right? Two possible arrangements. Did everybody get this one? The pakka positions that I have discovered is starting with T. I know the exact positions of V and R. I know the exact positions of U and P. So U, V, T, R, and P. And based on the last clue, either I can have it like this or I can have it like this. Amanbir, you can start with any position at the bottom. Like I said, अगर इसको मैं bottom में arrange करना चाहता हूं तो P, R, T, V, U, S, W, Q ऐसे हो सकता है. Amanbir, I'm saying time and again, it does not matter whom you start at the bottom, but जिसको भी आप पहले position में रखोगे उसको bottom में रखो. आप peak से start करना चाहते हो, P से start करो. टी से स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो टी से स्टार्ट करो. बट टू मेक इट श्योर दैट लेफ्ट एंड राइट का लोचा नहीं मारते, प्लेस द फर्स्ट पर्सन एट द बॉटम पोजीशन. पी को डालो टी को डालो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, रोटेटेड डायग्राम आएगा, सेम डायग्राम आएगा, सिर्फ पोजीशन सारे दो दो पोजीशन शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. आंसर विल एग्जैक्टली बी द सेम. ओके यश, अगर आपका अरेंजमेंट हो गया है, अब इसके बेसिस पे मैं आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूं. आई कैन से हु इज सिटिंग ऑपोजिट ऑफ यू. एग्जाम में इसमें क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. हु इज सिटिंग ऑपोजिट ऑफ यू. यश करेक्ट, यू के ऑपोजिट में पी बैठा है. हु इज सिटिंग ऑपोजिट ऑफ वी, वी फॉर वायलिन. हु इज सिटिंग ऑपोजिट ऑफ वी. ओके एक सेकेंड प्रसन्ना, इट डज नॉट से आर एंड वी आर नेबर्स. प्रसन्ना, इट सेज टी इज द नेबर ऑफ आर एंड वी. So R and V दोनों के लिए T neighbor है. You are interpreting that question incorrectly. Prasanna, did you get that? It does not say that R and V are neighbors. It says T is the neighbor of R and V. That means T is sitting between R and V. Did you get that? Okay. Did everybody else understand? We are only doing how to solve this because एक बार आपको arrangement पता चल गया, उसके बाद कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे आपको तो सिर्फ डायग्राम देख के आंसर देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई आस्क हु इज सिटिंग बिटवीन टी एंड पी, टी फॉर टेलीफोन, पी फॉर पैरेट, टी एंड पी के बीच में कौन बैठा है, हाउ मच टाइम इज इट गोइंग टू टेक? You just look at the diagram and tell me R, right? So that's why I'm not putting specific questions. We just have to make the entire diagram. एग्जाम के अंदर इसी सेट पे आपको 4 या 5 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, बट आप क्वेश्चंस को पहले थोड़ी देखोगे, आप पहले सॉल्व करोगे, फिर चारों क्वेश्चंस एक साथ टक 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 मार्क हो जाएगा. इज एवरीबॉडी गेटिंग इट? नम्रा, ऑनलाइन फॉर्मेट में यस, रफ शीट्स आर मेड अवेलेबल. For online tests you are provided with rough sheets, yes, but you have to do practice of doing छोटा छोटा diagram because number of rough sheets कुछ कुछ centers पे limit कर देते हैं. कंजूस होता है कोई टीचर तो वो एक या दो रफ शीट ही देता है, बट जनरली एक या दो से ज्यादा की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. ओनली थिंग इज एकदम बड़े बड़े डायग्राम्स मत बनाओ. प्रैक्टिस सेविंग पेपर, मेक छोटा छोटा डायग्राम्स, and if possible with pencil so that you can erase and reuse. But normally for online exam you will get rough sheets. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी? चलो मूविंग ऑन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 6 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting around a hexagonal table, each at one corner. अब हेक्सागन क्या होता है? हेक्सागन इज अ 6-sided फिगर. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब आप बोलोगे सर हेक्सागन कैसे करेंगे? भाई हेक्सागन और सर्कल में कोई फर्क नहीं है, राइट? इट्स जस्ट द डिफरेंस ऑफ शेप. फंडामेंटल इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. चाहे आप हेक्सागन बोलो चाहे सर्कल विद 6 पीपल बोलो, फंडा तो वही है. So 6 friends sitting around a hexagon. P is second to the left of U. Q is the neighbor of R and S. T is second to the left of S. You have to give me the order starting from anybody. Clockwise order में कैसे बैठे हैं वो बता दो. Let's see who gets this one. अनमोल एक बार चेक कर लो, एक चेक कर लो, कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है. Others are all correct. Gautam does not Gautam, हेक्सागन को आप कैसे भी ड्रॉ करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। आपको हेक्सागन ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है, ऐसे ड्रॉ करो। आपको हेक्सागन ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है, ऐसे ड्रॉ करो। आपको टेढ़ा ड्रॉ करना है, टेढ़ा ड्रॉ करो। इट शुड बी ए हेक्सागन। हाउ डज इट मैटर सर्कल आप कैसे ड्रॉ करते हो? रिमेंबर, फॉर सिमेट्रिकल शेप्स लाइक दिस इट डज नॉट। कोई आपको पूछे स्क्वायर, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। दिस टेक्निकली इज ऑल्सो स्क्वायर, दिस इज ऑल्सो स्क्वायर। आप यहां से देखते हो, आप यहां से देखते हो, पर्सपेक्टिव डिफरेंट है, डायग्राम तो एग्जैक्टली सेम है। ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ इट डिफरेंटली द वे गौतम सेज। चलो, P इज सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ U, तो U को यहां पे रखेंगे, ये डायरेक्शन लेफ्ट है। सो सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट, 1 2, सो P इज सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ U। नाउ Q इज द नेबर ऑफ R एंड S, तो तीन जगह जहां पे मैं Q R एंड S को रख सकता हूं। सो Q डेफिनेटली हैज टू बी हियर, राइट? So Q can be between R and S like this, or Q can be between R and S like this. T is second to the left of S. S अगर ये है तो second to the left खाली नहीं है, so this is not S. That means S is fixed, second to the left, T is fixed, so this is not R. R का position ये fix हो गया, right? So either you could have drawn the hexagon like that or this. They are exactly the same. Did everybody get this one? So starting from U and going clockwise, U, T, P, R, Q, S. Did everybody get this one? Surya, yeah, benzene. Kekule got this structure when a snake grabbed its tail in his sleep dream. Everybody got this one? बढ़िया है, चलो, वेरी गुड। अगला क्वेश्चन अगेन 8 वाला। नाउ दिस इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट क्वेश्चंस, थोड़ा not very complicated but it's a very nice question, and somebody was asking me about genders, right? Gender इसमें आता है कि नहीं? So this is a question of seating जहां पे gender is also involved. So 8 persons E F G H I J K L seated around a square table, 2 on each side. 3 ladies who are not seated next to each other. So 8 में से there are 3 ladies, that means 5 are men. Now J is between L and F. G is between I and F. H, a lady, is second to the left of J. F, a male member opposite to E, a lady member. There is one lady between F and I. So there, now you have to tell me who are the ladies in the group, and starting from, let's say, J clockwise, how are they seated? Let's see who gets this one. Bhavna, they are exactly the. Bhavna is asking what's the difference between a letter being a neighbor of two other letters and between two letters. There is no difference. They both mean the same thing. So if A is between B and C, then B and C both are neighbors to A. Right? Reference का मतलब है A is between B and C, or I can say B and C are neighbors of A. आप शर्मा जी और वर्मा जी के बीच में रहते हो, तो शर्मा जी और वर्मा जी आपके पड़ोसी हुए. So both of them mean the same thing. चलो, Kavan, there are 3 females. You have to identify all the 3 females. Question mein, there are 3 ladies. Yes, Gautam, correct. Disha is also correct. ना सिद्धांत लोचा मारा, 1 में लोचा मारा आपने. चलो देखें. गौतम, एक मैंने तो सिर्फ लेडी पूछा, बट यू विल बी आस्क्ड मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस. सो going through all the clues and not having a diagram may make it difficult to solve all the questions of the set. If you draw the diagram, it becomes pretty obvious. So it's better to make a diagram for this. It's always good to make learn to make diagrams. Don't see diagram बनाने की practice नहीं. यहाँ पे मैं एक ही question पूछ रहा हूँ. एग्जाम में लेकिन मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस होंगे, तो आपको एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, नॉट फॉर टुडेज सेशन. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम. सो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू लर्न हाउ टू मेक दीज डायग्राम्स. राइट, डोंट थिंक अभी मैं टाइम बचा लूंगा. नहीं, अभी हम डायग्राम बनाना सीख रहे हैं. सो लर्न हाउ टू मेक दीज डायग्राम्स. इन द एग्जाम it will become very easy. So practice it. Yes, Siddhant, that's correct. Priyanshi, yes. आपका अरेंजमेंट थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा, बाकी लेडी मेंबर्स तो ठीक है. Okay, so let's see. It is given that there are 8 people sitting around a square table, right? So square table, 8 people, 2 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now there are 3 ladies who are not seated next to each other. तो जहां पे भी मुझे पता चल गया कि लेडी है, the 2 seats on either side will be males, because 2 ladies cannot be seated next to each other according to the instructions. Okay, now it says J is between L and F, right? So let us start. J is between L and F. So J can be between L and F like this, or I can say J is between L and F like this. 2 possibilities, right? So I have to consider both the possibilities. Now it says G is between I and F. तो F तो पता है. So G is between I and F like this, or G could be between I and F like this. ठीक है, ये positions तो मेरे fit हो गए. Now it says H, a lady member, is second to the left of J. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के लिए तो एज यूजुअल आई हैव टू गो लाइक दिस. सो H सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ J. अगर ये J है, दिस इज फर्स्ट, दिस इज सेकेंड, बट सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट का पोजिशन ही फिक्स हो गया है, राइट? सो माई फर्स्ट अरेंजमेंट, द आउटर अरेंजमेंट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So H second to the left of J. So J का second to the left is H, which means H is lady. So H is a female. So by default उसके neighbors L and यहाँ पे जो भी होगा, they have to become men, because female के बाजू में दोनों side male नहीं हो सकते. Now F, a male member. So F, a male member, is seated opposite to E. अब टेबल में opposite side का seating is this, right? Exact opposite side is this, straight across. It could be this also, but we'll put this. So F, a male member, is opposite to E, and E is a female. अब मैं E को यहां पे क्यों नहीं डालूंगा opposite में? Because see, H is already a female, तो इस position में male ही possible है, तो E cannot be here. And in a table, when you're sitting, this is considered the opposite side. So E is here. Now there's a lady between F and I. So between F and I, whoever is there is a lady. So I've got 1 ladies, 2 lady, 3 lady. So all the others by default become male. So the only person left is K. So इस कचड़े को अगर clear करना है, it looks something like this, right? So whoever females, H is a female, E is a female, G is a female. Nobody sitting next to each other. All the others are men. Did everybody get this one now? So, see, some guys would say कि sir E को यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं डाला? Because E फीमेल थी and H already जब फीमेल है तो उसके बाजू में फीमेल नहीं हो सकती. So this position cannot be E. So E has to be in this particular position. Did everybody understand this? The positioning? I hope everybody understood this positioning. कोई डाउट इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर? No? Very good. Chalo. Try this one then. Again. PQRSTUVW. 8 people. They're sitting around a circular table facing the center. Now, P sits third to the right of W and third to the left of Q. S sits second to the right of T. V sits second to the left of R. T is not the neighbor of Q, while U is neither a neighbor of T nor of W. So starting with W in clockwise fashion, in what order are they sitting? Gautam, they will definitely give you the order. They will never give you ambiguous questions. Ambiguity of questions hoga hi nahi. Yeah, the options will be such that only one of the answers is possible as an answer, because these are not type in answers, these are MCQs. So options में आपको clearly पता चल जाएगा which is the correct answer, और एक ही correct answer हो सकता है. So there will be no ambiguity in the question. It will be clearly specified. And Gautam, abhi to I'm just asking because I'm not asking specific questions. Exam में they will never say कि in what order are they sitting. अगर पूछेंगे तो clearly पूछेंगे from left to right what order. Like in every question, I'm also saying tell me in clockwise order. Tell me in clockwise order starting from X person. In this question also starting from W clockwise order में कैसे बैठे हैं. So there will be a clear specification of what is to be answered. Ambiguous questions कभी नहीं होंगे exams में. होगा तो question cancel हो जाता है. Anybody? Did we get this one? Guys, check the options. I mean, check, does it match all the things given? Surya got it, yes. Akash got it, very good. सिद्धांत वंश एक बार चेक करो, क्या सारे क्लूज फॉलो हो रहे हैं इसके आपके अरेंजमेंट में? Guys, you need to check, are all the hints being followed in your particular thing? Devansh, data is definitely adequate. You can clearly arrange them. Data is not inadequate. It's very much possible to arrange it. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the question now. 8 people, circular table. So obviously we'll start with making a nice little circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. चलो पहले क्लू से स्टार्ट करते हैं. P sits third to the right of W. So W मेरा रेफरेंस पॉइंट है and this side is my left, right? So P sits third to the right of W. तो W के राइट में 1, 2, 3. P का पोजीशन मैंने यहां पे फिक्स कर दिया है with reference to W. So P sits third to the right of W and third to the left of Q. So it is P who is sitting third to the left of Q, right? So P first to the left, second to the left, third. So Q का पोजीशन जब यहां पे होगा तो Q का third to the left is P. Did everybody get this one? W, Q and P. These are the three things. These are the three things. Right? Now, S sits second to the right of T. So T को जहां पे भी मैं मिठाऊंगा उसका एक एंड दो पोजीशन राइट पे मुझे S को बिठाना है, राइट? बट सर्कल के अंदर मैं उसको कहां पे डालूं, दैट आई डोंट नो. So as of now, S second to the right of T. Similarly, V sets second to the left of R. तो R जहां पे भी है फर्स्ट सेकेंड, V sits second to the left of R. ये भी कहां पे फिट करूंगा, आई डोंट नो. ठीक है. नाउ लास्ट क्लू में आते हैं. इट सेज T is not the neighbor of Q. सो Q यानी कि T ना यहां पे है ना यहां पे है, राइट? T इन दोनों पोजीशंस में नहीं है एंड T का एक पोजीशन S इज सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ T. सो जहां पे भी T को बिठाएंगे T के राइट हैंड साइड में मुझे सेकेंड पोजीशन कहीं पे डालना है, guys, and this is left. T is second to the right, S is second to the right of T. So T jahan pe, it should be something like this, right hand side. Anyway, so if I put T in this position, then T ka right hand side is this, right? So if T is here, R can be placed here, S can be placed here. If T is here, then T ka right S yahan pe nahi ho sakta, so this is not position of T. And if I put T here, then S can be positioned here. So either I can have T in this position and S at this position, or I can have T in this position and S in this position. ठीक है, चलो इन दोनों में से एक हो जाएगा. Now it says U is neither a neighbor of T nor W, right? U is neither a neighbor of T nor W. So T and W यहां पे हैं, तो U का पोजीशन मैं इसके अंदर यहां पे फिक्स कर सकता हूं, राइट? एंड U का पोजीशन फिक्स कर लूं, the only position left is that of R, which becomes fixed here, and this matches all my conditions. So we get, I'm clearing this screen and putting up that this can be your arrangement. So P third to the right of W, yes, first, second, third, and third to the left of Q, correct. S second to the right of T, T ka second to the right, yes. V second to the left of R, R ka second to the left, V, yes. T not a neighbor of Q, correct. U not a neighbor of T or W, yes. This matches all the given conditions. I'll do this once again, guys. I'll do this once again. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P is third to the right of W. So W third to the right is P. Third to the left of Q. So third to the left of Q. ये position आ गया. Now S is second to the right of T. So T को जहां पे भी रखेंगे उसका second to the right I have to keep S, right? V sits second to the left of R. तो जहां पे भी R होगा सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट को V रखेंगे. इतना समझ में आ गया? इज एवरीबडी क्लियर विद दिस सो फार? इज एवरीबडी क्लियर विद दिस सो फार? Gautam, I'll come to your point later. First, let me complete this explanation once again. I'll come to your point. Okay. Now, T is not the neighbor of Q. So Q, that means T cannot be placed here and T cannot be placed here. Correct? So if I say T can be placed either at this position or this position. Now T को जहां पे भी डालेंगे, second to the right of T should be S. If I put T in this position, तो second to the right पे S नहीं आ सकता. So T यहां पे भी नहीं बैठ सकता. Right? And T को अगर मैं यहां पे डालूं, T को अगर मैं इस पोजीशन में डालूं, तो सेकेंड टू द राइट इज अगेन ऑक्यूपाइड बाय Q. सो T यहां पे भी नहीं आ सकता. सो द ओनली पोजीशन लेफ्ट फॉर T हैज टू बी दिस. भव्या, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड T का पोजीशन? नम्रा, नो नीड टू मर्ज इट. इंडिविजुअल डायग्राम्स ठीक है. T का पोजीशन समझ में आ गया. अब T का सेकेंड टू द राइट S का पोजीशन फिट कर दो. Now T is not the neighbor of Q, so ठीक है, करेक्ट है. U is not the neighbor of T और W, तो U का पोजीशन T के बाजू में नहीं हो सकता, W के बाजू में नहीं हो सकता. सो U का पोजीशन भी फिक्स हो गया यहां पे. एंड नाउ V इज सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ R, तो R यहां पे डालेंगे तो ही सेकेंड, V सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ R को यहां पे डालेंगे तो ही V यहां पे फिट होगा. So that's it. Did you get it now, Bhavya? Others, did everybody get this one now? Ab, Gautam, let's see your arrangement. PTVW, 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 RQUS, RQUS. Chalo, let's check. P is third to the right of W. W ka first to second. Yes. First of all, is it PTR? Okay. And third to the left of Q. P is third to the left of Q. Correct. S is second to the right of T. Correct. V is second to the left of R. V is second to the left of R. Gautam, समझ में आ गया लोचा? Left right का लोचा. That condition is not met. That's why I say make this left right वाला arrow. क्योंकि यहां से it looks as if this is the left, but technically this is the right for R. राइट इसीलिए इस पोजीशन का बड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. लेफ्ट राइट बिकम्स रिवर्स्ड इन दिस पोजीशन. Did everybody understand this question? I hope everybody did. Moving on to the next one then. This is again a very fantastic question. I love this one. This will take a little bit of time. 6 people, but it will take a little bit of time. So it says Varun, Udit and Tarun are seated in a circle facing the center. कहानी में twist. Akash, Bharti and Charu are also seated in the same circle, but 2 of them are not facing the center. That means in a circle, if this is the center, if you are facing the opposite direction, आप पीठ दिखा के बैठे हो तो आपका लेफ्ट राइट चेंज हो जाता है. Guys, when you are facing the center, clockwise is left. But if you are facing outside, तो ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा लेफ्ट एंड राइट उल्टा होता है. So it is given A, B, C are also in the same circle, but out of them, 2 of them are facing the opposite direction. I don't know which 2, right? Now it is said Varun is second to the left of Charu, Udit second to the right of Akash, Bharti third to the left of Tarun, Charu second to the right of Tarun, Akash next to Varun. Start now. You have to tell me among them, 2 of them are facing outside. So who is facing outside? Plus, starting from Tarun in clockwise order, how are they seated? Now, guys, this is slightly different type of question which you'll have to keep in mind, because 2 of them are facing outside the circle, which means that the left and right will be interchanged for 2 of them. So be careful in that. Take some time. Let's see who gets this one. I think you have given Siddhant Jain, you have given me in the anti-clockwise order. And who are facing outside? आयुष, आपने वी को रिपीट किया है और दो लोगों को तो प्लेस ही नहीं किया है. So I am okay. My question: who are facing outside? Chalo, answer that. Options are A, B, C, T, U, V. Yes, Millie got it. Siddhant, nahi. Yes, Millie is correct. Millie got it. हितांशी नहीं. गर्वित, टी एंड यू कैसे हो सकता है बेटा? टी एंड यू तो दिया हुआ है, दे आर फेसिंग द सेंटर. टी एंड यू का तो दिया हुआ है. खुशी, उदित का तो दिया हुआ है. इट इज गिवन दैट वरुण, उदित एंड तरुण आर फेसिंग द सेंटर. तो आउटसाइड द सर्कल का तो उनका आंसर हो ही नहीं सकता ना. यू, टी एंड वी में से तो आउटसाइड कोई हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वो तो दिया हुआ है एग्जाम्पल के अंदर, दे आर फेसिंग द सेंटर. सो the two people who are facing the outside direction, it can be only out of A, B and C. U, T and V में से तो outside कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है, because by default it is given they are facing inside. Yes, Priyanshi, that's correct. Order is correct. Vedika, yes, order is correct. Yes, Devesh, order is correct. The order is correct. Okay, guys, let's see how to do this one. So it is given that there are 6 people sitting in a circle. So we start with our nice little circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we have to remember is that Varun, Udit and Tarun, they are definitely facing the center. But I don't know Akash, Bharti and Charu whether they're facing in or out. So I should always start with placement of Varun, Udit or Tarun. Because ABC में problem क्या है? If A is facing inside, तो left and right ऐसे होगा. But if A is facing outside, तो left and right interchange हो जाएगा, and that is लफड़ा. And because I don't know A, B and C में से कौन अंदर है कौन बाहर है, I should not use them as my starting point, right? So my first clue, Varun is second to left of Charu. अब चारू इनसाइड है आउटसाइड है मुझे नहीं पता, तो कौन किसको लेफ्ट लूं, लफड़ा हो जाएगा. सेम आकाश का नहीं पता, तो लेफ्ट राइट नहीं पता. सो आई स्टार्ट विद द थर्ड क्लू, राइट? आई नो फॉर श्योर तरुण इज फेसिंग इनसाइड, so I can put Tarun in my bottom most position, and I know he's facing inside, so left of Tarun is definitely the clockwise direction. So I can say Bharti is third to the left of Tarun. So Tarun ke liye first, second, third. So Bharti is third to the left of Tarun. Now Bharti in है या out है मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन तरुण के लेफ्ट में भारती डेफिनेटली यही पोजीशन पे है, right? So my third clue is the most useful one. Now I start with the next one. Charu is second to the right of Tarun. अब तरुण का right तो for sure ये है, तो right of तरुण का second, 1, 2. So C का position is also fixed, right? So I know that Charu is second to the right of Tarun. So Tarun, Bharti and Charu are fixed. Next clue says Akash is seated next to Varun. अब आकाश को मैं कहां पे बैठा सकता हूं? Opposite position, Akash is seated next to Varun. तो Akash and Varun have to be seated in one of these two positions, because आजू बाजू में दो seats यहीं पे खाली हैं. So Akash and Varun, I don't know who is where, but they are positioned in one of these things, right? So Akash and Varun अगर यहाँ पे position हो गए, that means the only person left is Udit, and Udit has to be seated here. So I know for sure that Tarun facing inside is here. Udit also facing inside is here. Now I need to start thinking, right? So let us see. If I say Varun is second to the left of नाउ वरुण एंड चारू, सी का मुझे लेफ्ट राइट नहीं पता, वरुण कहां है पता नहीं है. सो लेट्स गो विद द सेकंड क्लू. उदित इज सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ आकाश, राइट. उदित का तो पोजीशन फिक्स्ड है. आकाश अगर यहां पे है, राइट, एंड आकाश अगर अंदर फेस कर रहा है, तो आकाश का सेकंड टू द राइट डेफिनेटली ये उदित हो जाएगा, राइट. सो आकाश हैज टू बी प्लेस्ड इन दिस पोजिशन एंड आकाश हैज टू बी फेसिंग इनसाइड. आकाश को यहां पे प्लेस करोगे तो सेकंड टू द राइट कहीं पे भी नहीं आ सकता उदित. सो आकाश फॉर श्योर हैज टू बी इन दिस पोजिशन फेसिंग द इनसाइड. दैट मीन्स the only person left to be placed is Varun. So Varun का position यहां पे फिक्स हो गया, also facing inside. Now ABC में से दो बाहर फेस कर रहे हैं. A अंदर है तो B has to be facing outside and C also has to be facing outside. So we can say that B and C are the two people facing outside. And now if you take a look at all the clues and compare, then this arrangement satisfies all the clues which are given. So final arrangement, I'm going to clear the screen, should be something like this, right? T, A, V, B, C, U. And the two people who are facing the outside directions are B and C. Did everybody understand this one? Any doubts? Pooch lo. I also marked the left and right if you want to compare the clues. Did everybody get this one? Any confusions? I hope not. Excellent. Chalo, moving on. Next question then. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Again, 8 people sitting around a circle facing the center. F is third to the right of C and second to the left of H. D is not an immediate neighbor of C or H. And E is on the immediate right of A, who is second to the right of G. So starting with C, clockwise order, how are they arranged? Starting with C in clockwise order, how are they arranged? Are we getting this one? Shashwat, yes, there can definitely be an odd number of people. 7 वाले हो सकते हैं arrangements. 5 जनरली नहीं पूछते, बट 5 तो सिंपल भी होता है. 5 या 7 भी हो सकते हैं. The only type of question which cannot be asked is who is sitting opposite, क्योंकि in odd number of people opposites नहीं होते. बाकी everything is the same, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. The method is exactly the same, सिर्फ opposite वाला question नहीं होगा, because odd number of people में opposites नहीं होते. बाकी everything is the same. Yes, most of you getting it right. आकाश चेक करो एक बार. Kavan, one of the clues I think is being violated. Check karo. Gautam, correct. Namra, kuch gadbad hai. Is it matching all the conditions? Check that once. Chalo guys, let's take a look at this question then. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 8 people, right? So 8 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. F is third to the right of C, right? Left के लिए ये direction है. So C से अगर मैं start करूं, then first, second, third. So F is third to the right of C and second to the left of H. So F is second to the left of H. तो H को यहां पे डालो, तो second to the left of H is F. So these three positions become fixed. ठीक है? Now it says D is not an immediate neighbor of C or H. तो यहां पे यहां पे यहां पे या यहां पे तो D को नहीं डाल सकते. So the only position where D can sit is this position. Now it says E is on the immediate right of A. So immediate right में डालने के लिए सिर्फ ये दो पोजीशन ही खाली हैं. So A को यहां पे डालो तो ही E can be on the immediate right. There is no other slot empty. So A is on the immediate right of A. Who is? That is A is on the second to the right of G. So A यहां पे है तो second to the right of G बनाने के लिए G has to be here. So the moment you put all these things, the only person left is B. So B का slot ये आ जाता है and this is the final arrangement. Did everybody get this one? सिद्धांत, कुछ तो लोचा मारा है आपने. क्लूज देखो, आपके अरेंजमेंट में कुछ तो लफड़ा है. Did everybody get this one? I hope everybody. E should be immediate right of A. Why should E be on the immediate right? Yeah, E is on the immediate right of A. It's given. It's given E is on the immediate right of A. It is given. So A के लिए right hand side यही होगा ना. Clockwise left होता है. So anti-clockwise right होगा ना. So E is to the right of A. Did you get that? नहीं बेटा अंडरस्टैंड, ये जो हु वर्ड यूज होता है, सो ई इफ इट इज गिवन ई इज ऑन द राइट ऑफ ए एंड सेकंड, दैट मींस ई. बट जब हु वर्ड यूज होता है देन दिस इज एप्लीकेबल टू द पर्सन इमीडिएटली बिफोर दिस. सो ई इज ऑन द राइट ऑफ ए, who is second to the right of G? So A is second to the right of G. That is the interpretation. Again, a lot of guys are making the mistake of interpretation. When this word is given who, if it is given A who is second to the right of G, so it is A that is second to the right of G. This word who, see यहां पे देखो इस क्लू में and है, so F is right of C and F is second left of H जब and है. लेकिन जब who दिया होता है, this who is applicable to A not E. It is important to read it correctly. Guys, are you getting it? Reading the clue correctly is very important. Reading the clue is very important. Did everybody understand it? See, same example में आपको दो तरह से clues दिए गए हैं, right? Same example में दो तरह से आपको clues दिए गए हैं. First and third को देखो. First के अंदर it is given F is third to the right of C and second to the left of H. So यहाँ पे F is third to the right of C and F is second to the left. But यहाँ पे who है? So E is on the right of A and A is second to the right of G. Did everybody get this one? I hope everybody got this one. Right? So and who, दो clues जब एक साथ हों, it is very important to read it very carefully कि किसको apply करता है. That is the mistake which you make. So and who दोनों का difference समझ में आ गया, कौन सा part किसको apply करना है? I hope everybody got this one. ठीक है. So guys, let's take a break now. Right? We'll take a break. I'll be sending you the ID password for the next session. Right? So if there are no doubts, you can log out from this session. I'll be sending you the ID password for Chandan sir's session in a moment. Swayam, Swayam, Gautam, we have started contacting. We are contacting in groups, right? So within the week, you will be getting a call. We have started doing it one by one. We can't obviously do everybody on the same day. So one by one, we are calling them. So within a week, you should be getting the call. Teerth, hexagon question. You want to go back to the hexagon question? Okay. Just a minute. ये वाला question. Okay. Gautam, Swayam, I think within the week you should be getting a call. Anmol, homework pretty simple. The exercise of puzzles. Obviously, I'll be writing it. I'll be sending it on WhatsApp like every week.